I'm back. Okay, so today I thought that I would play a word association game with myself. I'm just gonna start with a word and then go from there because that is how word association works. The word I'm going to start with is art, painting, flower, orange, lemon, clementine, coat, seasoning, chrysanthemum, garage, jello, hibiscus, tea, Starbucks, coffee, window, bicycle, elephant, Altoids, picture, sunglasses, sun, pillow, book, hat. I think I just started naming things in my room. So I don't know what that just was. Maybe it was entertaining. So I don't know if that made any sense. I don't think it did because I'm very confused. So I'll try to make more sense next time. Pineapple.